Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can change your Fortnite username. So you will be needing a browser. You can use your PC, laptop or mobile device as well. Anything will be usable. So you'll have to go to fortnite.com and then you'll have to log in with your Epic Games account that yes you are using in your Nintendo Switch as a Fortnite account. As you can see, I've already logged in. So after you log in, all you have to do is you'll have to click on your name here. This is a button, and then you'll have to go to account. So after you go to the account, as you can see, there is this settings in that account category, and you will see this display name. So this is the name, this is the username of your Epic Games and your Fortnite. So all you have to do is press this pencil button, and here you can change your name. And then after you change it to something, and then you'll have to tick this. I understand I cannot change my display name again for 2 weeks after this change. So for 2 weeks you cannot change it again. So press continue and you will be able to change your username. And when you go back to your Nintendo Switch, as you can see, your name will be changed to whatever you've just changed it to. So this is the easiest method. If you use your Nintendo Switch to do this method, it takes a bit longer as the browser in your Nintendo Switch is very slow. So try this. This is a very easy way to do it. That was all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.